Good morning students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So today I have to upload video of exercise 13.6 which is based on volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h and volume of hollow cylinder or volume of material used in hollow cylinder or pi is its external volume minus internal volume. You can see that hollow cylinder is made up of two concentric cylinders. Both are having same center, but radius of internal cylinder and radius of outer cylinder is different. So volume of material used for making this hollow tank or hollow cylinder is its external volume minus internal volume, which is pi r square h minus pi small r square h. The capital R is outer radius and this small r denotes internal radius, which already I discussed. So here pi h we can take out common. Inside the bracket we have outer radius square minus internal radius square. Now let us come to exercise 13.6. Question number 1 says the circumference of the base of the cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water it can hold? So definitely first we have to calculate its capacity. For calculating capacity we need radius because volume is pi r square h. So since circumference of base of any cylindrical vessel, you can see this pen is in the form of cylinder and its base is in the form of circle. Circle circumference is 2 pi r. So here I wrote circumference of base of a cylinder is 132 centimeter. This is given in the question. So on the side of circumference 2 pi r can be substituted. That side 132. By leaving r, this 2 pi will go down or in the denominator. Or we have 132 divided by 2 at the place of pi 22. By 7 will go up. When you calculate it, you will get 3 into 7, 21 centimeter. So radius is coming 21 centimeter and height is given 25 centimeter. So let us calculate its volume. It's pi r square h by putting the value of r as 21 into 21 and at the place of height 25 we will get 34,650 centimeter cube. Now since it is given in the question that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So at the place of 1 centimeter cube we can put 1 by 1000 liter. When you calculate, you will get 34.65 liters is the capacity of this cylindrical vessel. Question number 2 says, the inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 meter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 grams. So here, outer diameter is given 28 centimeter. So outer radius we will calculate. It's 28 by 2 which is 14. And inner diameter is given 24 centimeter. We can calculate inner radius by 24 by 2 that is 12 centimeter. Now, just now I told you volume of hollow cylinder is external volume minus internal volume. So same formula will be used. Volume of material used to make the pipe is equal to pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. This pi h we can take out common. Inside the bracket we have capital R square minus small r square. Pi is 22 by 7. H is 35 centimeter. Capital R is 14 and small r is 12 square. So 14 square minus 12 square. Here we can use the formula of a square minus b square. The 7 and 35 will get cancelled. We have 22 into 5. 14 plus 12. 14 minus 12. 14 plus 12 is 26 and 14 minus 12 is 2 centimeter. So 22 into 5 into 26 into 2 will give you the volume of material used in the pipe, which is 5720 centimeter cube. It's given in the question that 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass 0.6 grams. So we can multiply this volume with the mass, we will get 0.6 gram. If you wish, you can convert it into kg by dividing it by 1000. When you multiply, you will get 3.4320 kg is the volume of wood used over here. Question number 3 says, a soft drink is available in 2 packs. First is a tin can with a rectangular base of length 5 cm and width 4 cm having a height 15 cm. You can assume if a tin can with a rectangular base is given, length, breadth and height is given, then definitely it is cuboidal tank. Next, a plastic cylinder with circular base of diameter 7 cm and height 10 cm. Question says, which container has greater capacity and by how much? So here I have calculated volume of cuboidal tank and that side I have calculated volume of cylindrical can. So it is V. This side we will use L into V into H, which is giving you 300 centimeter cube. Next side, this side radius is 7 by 2 as the diameter is given 7. So we can put 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height as 10. When you calculate, you will get 385 centimeter cube. If you will compare these two, definitely cylindrical can has greater capacity by 85 centimeter cube. Come to the question number 4. Question number 4 says, if the lateral surface of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square and its height is 5 centimeter, we have to find its radius and its volume. So lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH is equal to 94.2 centimeter square. So by leaving R this side, that side we have 94.2 divided by 2 pi H. By the value of pi is given in the question 3.14. That we will put at the place of pi and at the place of H 5 centimeter. When you solve this, you will get R is equal to 3 centimeter. Now volume we have to calculate, which is pi R square H. By putting the value of pi 3.14 into 3 into 3 into 5, we got 141.3 centimeter cube as its volume. Question number 5 says, it cost rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface area of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. If the cost of painting it at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, find the inner curved surface area of the vessel. Second, radius of the base. Third is capacity of the vessel. Capacity means its volume. So here, the cost of painting the inner curved surface area of cylindrical vessel is given to be 2200 at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. So by unitary method, we can calculate the inner curved surface area. We can write rupees 20 is the cost of painting 1 meter square. So definitely rupees 1 is the cost of painting 1 by 20 meter square, or rupees 2200 is the cost of painting 1 by 20 into 2200 meter square, which will give you 110 meter square. This means in rupees 2200 we can paint 110 meter square of cylinder. So we got inner curved surface area of cylinder is 110 meter square, which is the first part of the question. Now the second part, in which we have to calculate the radius, we will use the formula of inner curved surface area, which is 2 pi RH is equal to 110. We know the value of pi, it's 22 by 7 and height is given to be 10 meters. So when we will put the value of height as 10 meter and this 10 will move that side in the numerator and 2 into 22 into 10 will come in the denominator. When you solve this, you will get the radius as 7 by 4, which is equal to 1.75 meter. So hence we got the second part of the question as radius is equal to 1.75 meter. Third part asks the capacity. Capacity means volume we have to calculate. Volume formula is pi R square H. Put the values. Radius we will put 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 into 10. When you will calculate, you will get 96.25 meter cube is the volume of the cylindrical vessel. Question number 6 is, the capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liters. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? So for that, here capacity of the vessel is given to you 15.4 liters. So first we will convert into centimeter. Height is given in 1 meter. So we have converted into 100 centimeter. Now 15.4 liter, I multiplied this by 1000 to convert it into centimeter cube. So we got 15,400 centimeter cube. Now volume of the vessel, let us put the formula 22 by 7 R square into 100 is equal to 15,400 centimeter cube. By leaving R square this side, this 7 will go in the numerator, divided by 22 into 100. When you solve this, you will get R square is equal to 7 into 7. So we got the value of R as 7 centimeter. Now question asked, find the how many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it. So for that we will calculate the total surface area of the vessel, which is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. From these two pi R can be taken common. Inside the bracket we have H plus R. So R value we can put 7 and H is 100 centimeter plus 7. So this 7 will get cancelled. We have 2 into 22 into 107. We are getting 4708 centimeter square metal sheet is required to make this vessel. But the question asks how many square meter of cloth is required. So this centimeter square we will convert into meter square. So we can write 4708. This centimeter square we can write 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 meter square. So because of this 4 zeros, it will be 0.4708 meter square of sheet is required to make this vessel. Question number 7 says, a lead pencil consists of a cylinder of wood with a solid cylinder of graphite filled in the interior. The diameter of the pencil is 7 mm and the diameter of graphite portion is 1 mm. If the length of the pencil is 14 cm, find the volume of wood and that of graphite. So here, height of the pencil is given to you 14 cm. You can see here I made the diagram of a pencil. Inside we have graphite portion. This shaded portion is showing graphite part. So diameter of graphite portion is given to you 1 mm. So definitely its radius is 1 by 2 mm or it is 1 by 20 cm. Now volume of graphite, let us calculate. It's pi R square H because graphite portion is in the shape of cylinder. So we can put 22 by 7 into 1 by 20 into 1 by 20 into 14. When you solve this, you will get 11 by 100, which is giving you volume of graphite portion is 0.11 centimeter cube. Now, if you will check your pencil, the wood portion is in the form of hollow cylinder. So diameter of pencil is given to you 7 mm. So radius is 7 by 2 mm or 7 by 20 centimeter. So for calculating volume of wood, we can use the formula of volume of hollow cylinder, which is pi h inside the bracket capital R square minus small r square. So capital R square is 7 by 20 and small r is 1 by 20. This is capital R, this is small r. We can put the values 22 by 7, height as 14, radius 7 by 20 square minus 1 by 20 square. This 7 and 14 will get cancelled. We have 22 into 2. 7 by 20 whole square is 49 by 400 minus 1 by 400. So it is 49 minus 1, that is 48 by 400. When you solve this, you will get the volume of wood as 5.28 centimeter cube. Last question of this exercise, question number 8 says, a patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of diameter 7 cm. If the bowl is filled with soup to a height of 4 cm, how much soup the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients? So here diameter is given 7 cm. So its radius will be definitely 7 by 2 cm and height of the soup in the bowl is given 4 cm. So we can write soup prepared for each patient is volume of cylindrical bowl of height 4 cm. Of height is equal to 4 cm. So it is pi r square h 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 14. When you will calculate it, you will get 154 centimeter cube. This means soup prepared for each patient is 154 centimeter cube. So for 250 patient, how much soup will be prepared? 250 multiplied by 154, which is giving you 38,500 centimeter cube. Soup will be prepared for 250 patients. So student, exercise 13.6 is over. Next day we will discuss questions of volume of right circular cone, which is exercise 13.7. Till then, you will complete your RS Agrawal questions. Whatever questions is given in volume surface area, you will try to complete all the exercises and all the MCQ questions. Thank you.